There's a fire on my back door.
Okay, is anybody in the house?
No, there's nobody in the house.
Okay, we're already on our way. Okay, your neighbor's called. We're on our way.
Philadelphia agencies on scene. We've got a 2-story multi-family dwelling. We have smoke showing from the front and fire showing from the rear of the second story. It's pretty stretching line.
I've been up and down these highways, put up wet and rode too hard, worked to death to earn respect, and I've earned every single scar. I always thought that this was crazy, didn't know it'd go this far, but here I am. These wheels that keep on turning, headed right into the stars. I know it's all been worth it, man, I sure miss playing bars. All I ever really wanted was to sing and play guitar with my friends. Some said I'd never make it, that I didn't do things right. So I showed them who I was, and then I made it just to spite. I changed the game, stood in the rain. I may be borderline insane, been messed around, I've been put down, but I keep coming back again. I'll wear that hat, yeah, I'm the punk, says I did it my own way. At the end of the day, I can say I changed the game. Yet to find, I keep searching for a song and I keep humming on a rhyme. I keep praying for the young bloods next in line to take my place, the next one to stand up and say. Some said I'd never make it, that I didn't do things right. So I showed them who I was and then I made it just to spite. I changed the game, stood in the rain. I may be borderline insane, been messed around, I've been put down, but I keep coming back again. I wear that hat, yeah, I'm the punk, says I did it my own way. At the end of the day, I can say, at the end of the day, I can say, at the end of the day, I can say, go change the game.
Under the dark night on the interstate, remember smelling smoke. I woke up, I was choking. Lori grabbed the baby and we made it safe outside. She never missed a note. Took a breath and cleared her throat and wrapped him in a Carhartt coat she found out in my ride. Next thing I remember, I was barefoot in December. When I hit the door again, it really came alive. That was all she wrote in a 30-second note. I got out with a photograph in my old auto bag. Lord knows that I've been blessed. I can stand up to the test. I can live on so much less. This much I've been learning. Feel a pounding in my chest. I'm fearful, I'll confess. How am I to get my rest? The house I built is burning. Well, Lord called the volunteers, siren music to my ears. First I've been glad to hear the flash in red and blue. Can't repay the time they gave. There was nothing left to save. Shake all of their hands and wave. They did all they could do. Well, I know that I've been blessed. I can make more out of less. I can get my rest in any bed that I lay down in. Got nothing holding me. Got a couple memories. A picture of the three of us and my grandfather's brown.
We've been fighting this feeling for way too long. Lord, I know it ain't right, but it sure ain't wrong. And baby, you just feel like home, 'cause we've been fighting this feeling for way too long. Yeah. I don't really care about what they say. You know people wanna talk anyway, and some things do, but good love don't fade. No, I don't give a damn about what they say. And take me home tonight. Oh darling, take me home tonight. We can dance in the dark till we're feeling right. Oh darling, take me home tonight. And I know it's hard, I know it ain't fair, but I close my eyes and you're right there. It doesn't matter how far away I am. Babe, I know it's hard and I know it ain't fair. And I don't wanna run no more. Oh darling, take me home tonight. We can dance in the dark till we're feeling right. Oh darling, take me home tonight. Got a baby on the way, a dog in the yard. Well, we started off small, but we sure came far. And I just wanna be where you are. We got a baby on the way and a dog in the yard.
Sitting on the curbside, liquor in my cup. Well, she says goodbye and the phone hangs up. And it's kinda got me feeling some type of way, like a sinner left sitting on judgment